Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. So in today's video, you're going to be joining us on our morning job today. We just have one job today. It is Friday. We like to keep our Fridays light, so maybe just one job in the morning and then afternoon off. This vehicle here, the Yukon, is still in the shop. It will be picked up today. The coatings, everything done on it. It just sat overnight. So by about 5 o'clock, it's going to be 24 hours cure time for everything, and everything will be done. So we got to prep the trailer. So that's what we're doing right now. We're filling up our buckets, getting everything ready, and we're going to be doing our first job. And the first job that we're going to do is actually a regular customer of ours. You've probably seen it on our channel before a couple of times if you are a regular on the channel. So it is the Porsche Cayenne, and basically it's just a maintenance detail. So nothing special, our usual wash process, and then we're going to use some sort of a spray sealant, spray wax to aid in drying and add protection, and then basic interior vacuum and so on. So not a ton on that vehicle, but we do it on a regular basis, so it's kept pretty clean and nice. Guys, if you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. Let's crack on. Let's crack on. Let's crack on. Okay guys, today is the first day that we're going to try the new setup. So we have the AR Blue Clean 630 pump here, got the Cox reel with the 50-foot MTM hose and gun. So we also have the Westinghouse generator, so everything here is really looking nice. And of course Tony from Ralda's Details put all this together, connected everything, and we have all of these on these little knobs, these things I can actually disconnect and attach in my garage, which is pretty awesome. So very, very happy about that. So let's get everything started. Get the water. Yep, that's on. This is good to go. All right, let's start her up for the first time. Well, actually, second time. We already tested it and made sure it works, but this is going to be the first time on the job. Cool. Yep. That's just residual stuff in the hose. But the pressure is good though. It's not like the electric one at home. So the shampoo we're using is Torque ceramic shampoo, and I don't know if you can hear the generator, but that's it. It's on eco mode, it's very low, and when we start the pressure washer, there's a little bit of a delay, but it's okay, it works. But it's just something to keep in mind, that there is going to be a delay in the pressure, and then it kicks on, and then it's good. I can probably take it off of eco mode, and it'll rev it up just a little bit more, so there's not so much of a delay. But so far it works really nice, and it's nice and quiet. So now to shut it off, either the remote or press the button here. Release the pressure, good to go. All right, and then you can tighten this, and that stays put. And that's how the system works. Really, really nice and efficient. I love how quiet this thing is. The pump puts out sufficient pressure. It's great. There's just that little bit of a delay when it first starts, but again, you can take it off eco mode here, and that does help a little bit with, you know, having it go back up to pressure pretty quickly. But I did notice one thing. When we were washing and this was running, for some reason, this tripped. I don't know why. So that's just something to look out for, to be mindful of. Is we went to go use it and it just seemed dead. So always double check your GFCI here. So it just tripped, we reset it, and it was good as normal. So I don't know why it did that while we were not using it, but that's just something that happened. So we just have to keep an eye on it. All right, let's get to drying this. Spritzy spritz. We're using the Hybrid Solutions wet wax. It's our favorite product to use on this one. We use it a lot, so it's always protected, always beading. It's awesome. Oh, already little bits of pollen. Wow. Oh well, it's almost over though. It's not really that bad anymore. That's good. We really only had like maybe 2 weeks of it pretty bad, and then that was it. So I also forgot to put up my canopy or my banner. So I have this banner up. I just pulled out the vacuum hose. So let's start the generator up again, and we're going to start vacuuming. Okay guys, we are pretty much done with this. We're just doing some final touching on the paint, but look, little bits of sap are dropping on the paint. So we really have to be careful. We can't be wiping down all of the paint all over again, and the glass. Yeah, it's causing a little bit of issue. See, some smearing, that's all from tree sap falling. We got some trees here. So we're gonna act fast, quickly wipe down the paint and the glass, and then leave it alone. If it gets dusty and full of pollen again, not much we can do. We're just going to leave it. So tires, wheels are the next step. Oh, whoops. I forgot this running. There we go. Now we can reel everything in easily. And yeah, I'm loving this setup. Very, very nice, very quiet, very efficient. Okay, so this job is done. Just packing everything in now. I need to change this logo to the new one. Okay guys, so that's it. Porsche's done, and the tree pollen and sap already falling on it. So we just had to do our best to, you know, wipe away any of the smudging, but it's already falling all over the paint. You can see those little specks in the paint, like that big one up there. It's all pollen. It's all pollen, tree sap, all sorts of junk falling on the paint. It's crazy. So yeah, we had to wipe it fast, clean it fast, and just let it be. Because if we keep wiping, it creates a big mess. And it's almost might as well wash the whole thing again if we continue to do that. So yep, this time of year, that just happens. The trees put out pollen and sap, and we just work quickly and get things done. So that's it for today's work. We're pretty much done. I like to schedule Fridays to be pretty light because I want Fridays to be light. That's my choice, and I like to have some time off on Friday afternoon. So it's actually pretty hot out, and this is at least all done. And now we can go home, clean up, and get ready for the weekend and for the following week. So thanks for joining us on today's detail, and also taking a first look at the pressure washer system and generator system in the back of the trailer here. It worked out really, really well. Very, very happy with it. I'm sure I'll make some other tweaks along the way to make things a little bit better, but so far very, very happy with it. Very efficient and nice and quiet. So if you have any questions about that, we're gonna have more videos coming out soon about that build, and even more information about Tony's setups that he makes. He can make things like that, smaller setups, or he can build out a whole trailer or van for you if you want. So I'll have his information down below if you're interested in that. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a great week.